Hello, in this video, we will present a case study on generating random ASCII characters. A character is coded using an integer. Generating a random character is to generate an integer. ASCII characters have the code from 0 to 127. So when you generate a random ASCII character, so you're going to generate this random integer from 0 to 7 and cast it into the character. How about generating random lowercase letters? The lowercase letters, there's a A, B, C, or to Z. So what you do is to generate a random int from this ASCII code for A to ASCII code for Z. For generating a random character between any two integers, you can use this. CH1 and CH2 use this ASCII code, and this is the ASCII code for CH2, and get this random value between the two, inclusive, and then cast it into character. Now we put all this into this reusable functions. So we're going to have this, use this rad int from the random module. So this is get random character ch1, ch2. So this is return the random character between ch1 and ch2. So we're going to get a random lowercase letter, and simply by calling get random character A, Z. This is the random uppercase letter. So that's uppercase A, uppercase Z. And this is a random character digit. So this you're going to return get random character 0, 9. This is get random ASCII character. So this is from this, the ASCII code for this so this is because of the character. So that is the ASCII code is 0 and the character, and ASCII code 127, and that's the character, and then invoke this get random character. Now we're going to use some of these functions from this module, random characters. We are going to write this. It is to write a program that displays 175 random or lowercase letters. So this is the number of characters, 175. And we're going to display the 25 characters per line. So we're going to write this loop for this I in the range from 0 to number of characters -1. So this is 175, and print the random character. This is the lowercase letter, and this is the end with, there's nothing. So look at this. Every 25 characters, we're going to start a new line. So this is the new line. So that is all. And look at this. If, so we're going to write this I plus 1 remainder characters per line is equal to 0. And then this is to start a new line. Run the program, and you're going to see you get different result every time you run it. That is all for this case study on generating random ASCII characters. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.